In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a row in a Confluence table. Whether you're collaborating on projects or organizing custom data layouts, mastering tables in Confluence can significantly enhance your document's clarity and effectiveness. So, let's get started. First, you'll land on your Confluence homepage. This is your starting point for managing content and accessing resources. If you haven't been here before, this page is a hub for all your Confluence spaces and pages, offering quick navigation and an overview of recent activity. Next, to create a new table, we'll start by clicking the Create button. This button is typically found at the top of the page and serves as your gateway to starting new content. Confluence provides various templates and blank pages to choose from, so be sure to explore those as well. But in our case, we're interested in creating a new page where our table will reside. Once you've clicked Create, make sure to select Page from the options presented. Choosing Page allows you to design and structure the new content exactly the way you need it, giving you a blank canvas to work with. Inside the new page, simply type the shortcut Table. This is a quick tip to access the table creation options directly from the content area. Utilizing shortcuts in Confluence can save you time and streamline your work process. After typing Table, you'll need to click on Table to insert one into your page. Once this is done, a default table will appear in your document. Tables in Confluence start with a basic grid, usually a few columns and rows, which can easily be customized to fit your needs. Now, to add a new row, simply click on the plus sign within the table rows. This option is intuitive and aimed at maintaining a seamless working experience. By clicking this, a new row will appear, allowing you to enter any data or content you need to include. As you explore these steps, remember that Confluence is designed to be user-friendly, with plenty of options to make your documents both comprehensive and visually appealing. You can adjust column widths, merge cells, and even add other types of content like images and links within your tables. These additional features give you the flexibility to create documents tailored exactly to your project requirements. I hope this guide helps you to navigate Confluence tables more effectively. With practice, creating structured, informative documents becomes second nature. Make sure to save your work as you go, ensuring nothing gets lost during the creative process. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Confluencing.